forgot to set around the food truck. That shit was fucking good. I'd probably get it again. One of the things in Vegas is the best places to eat are the ones on the fucking street. That was my second time going to a fucking Mexican fucking place. It's fucking delicious. I'd do it again. Someone just got pulled over. Only in Vegas. I went to, not that one, just down the street. The fucking Rancho Drive. Whatever the fuck this street is. Rancho, whatever. North Rancho, whatever. Good Mexican food. Might explore fucking Vegas more. We're gonna fucking do it. But for the time being, I'm just vibing. Thank you.